All right, welcome back, YouTube. I'm here for round two on a Spigen Glassar TR Ease Fit here, but this time it's going to be for the Apple Watch Ultra here. Kind of excited. I've never installed one on a watch. I don't think Spigen even had it for the previous watches here. Maybe because it's now flat glass, it's not curved. But yeah, let's go ahead and see if we can give it a shot. I've already kind of opened up the box here, and we're just gonna pull it out and see if there's any difference here when it comes to the iPhone screen protector here. Okay, that is what. Okay, maybe I needed that, maybe I didn't. I don't know. This looks weird. This looks really weird. So I guess there's two, right? There's two. Yeah, it's a pack of two here. So I guess this is one, and then that's the other. And let's look at the installation instructions here. Okay, I guess this is another squeegee. Maybe. All right, well, we'll see. Interesting. So you're supposed to place this down onto the pad. And then cleaning wipes again here. So let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit here, but yeah, that's good. All right, so we got some cleaning wipes going here. In fact, let's just kind of move this right over here. But yeah, let's see if we can go ahead and clean it. I doubt this is any different from the actual Spigen screen protector. All right, there's a squeegee here. So what is this thing? What is this thing? Keep and reuse. Okay, ease glass remover. Interesting. So they include a remover here. Don't know what for. All right, so we have the same kind of situation here. If you guys seen my Spigen screen protector installation here on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, you have the lens and screen cleaning wipe. You have the microfiber cloth, and then you have the stickers here. All right, so now we actually have the ease glass removal guide on this one here. So keep your removal tool rather than tossing it out. Well, yeah, I was really thinking about that there. Use the edge of the tool to safely remove the glass. But what glass? Why do they have a picture of a phone on this? Okay, well, I didn't see one of these on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Okay, but they do show, like the squeegee here. But yeah, I don't know why. I guess this is just because so you can remove it if you place it on the Apple Watch Ultra 2 here. All right, so we got some dust removal stickers, the microfiber cloth. I'm just gonna wipe it down with a microfiber cloth really quick, and then we'll do the cleaning lens and screen cleaning wipe. And then the microfiber cloth again to dry it, because apparently there's no drying wipes here. So we're just gonna, you know what, it was perfect. I just messed it up here. We're just gonna kind of clean that. Let me get a little closer here. Just kind of clean that out. There's really not much that's ultra screen real estate wise. Definitely way bigger than the 45 millimeter here, or the Series 7. All right, time to dry it off with a microfiber cloth. And it seems pretty dry for me. Oh yeah, that is beautiful. We're gonna sticker it anyways, because you see my first video, you do not want dust under that screen protector. Luckily, I didn't have any. So we're just gonna go ahead and, wow, this thing is just overkill sticker. I'll just do the entire unit. Probably not a smart thing to do. All right, just learned something here. You want to turn the Apple Watch off. I totally forgot about that. So we're just gonna hold this down here, hit the little power symbol, slide the power off. God, that probably just negates everything I just did here. But we're gonna go ahead and start from the very beginning. All right, feels good. eyeball it. Oh my God, it is so beautiful. It's just like as if it came right out of the box, which it did. But let's go ahead and make sure everything's good to go there. And I do not see a dust speck in the at all. So, all right, where's the instruction manual here? Okay. All right, so it's just like the iPhone 15 Pro Max. You want to remove the back here. So just peel that off. Wow, that looks like it's gonna come out. Okay, you said remove. That's what I'm. No, you're it's pulling out the entire thing. This is not. It's not going right. It's like it's pulling out the entire thing. Okay, let's read again. He's a backside made in China. Okay. All right. That's probably not it. No. Okay. That's not it either. All right. I'm trying to remove the backside, but it's just like sticking on there. Okay. I see why. There's like two tabs. There's like a tab underneath the adhesive backside tab. So I just got to get the first tab here. There it is. All right, so be careful that there's like two tabs. There's just tabs everywhere for the other one. So you gotta make sure you get the back side one here. All right, and then does this say where the top is? Top. All right, we're just gonna put this on here. We're just gonna eyeball it again. A speck, not a speck. All right. Okay. And I imagine this, once it's on here, should be exactly like the 15 Pro Max. We're just kind of do it like this. Oh, it just says press. Step 1, press. Okay. I'm so wrong, guys. You have to press. Just press. Step 1, press. Yeah, just like the picture, the instructions here. All right. So step 1, press. I'm pressing down here. Then step 2, remove from here. Okay, so you just press. No wait 30 seconds or anything like that. Apparently not. So we're going to remove the whole sticker according to this instructions. Yeah, there it is. It's coming out. Just gonna. All right. Let me press a little harder. Yeah. All right. Yeah. That's good. We're just gonna go ahead and pull this out and remove the tray, just like the 15 Pro Max here. All right. Bunch of bubbles. That was probably due to the back little situation here, but now we remove the protection film. Why is there multiple protection films here? Okay, you tell me to squeegee. But why is there just so many of these? It's just one protection film? Why is there like, why Spigen? Why is it just, you think we got two hands? I mean, we can come out from different angles, but why just, all right, whatever. Squeegee. So, all right, squeegee. So we will squeegee this. Again, I think Spigen, like the 15 Pro Max, has like the best squeegees in the world. There's nothing to squeegee. There's nothing to squeegee. It's perfect. It's just beautiful. All right, just beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Well, a little dust there. Just wipe that out. All right, but look at that. Look at that. Oh man, look at that. All right, Spigen. All right, that's about it. Definitely kind of different installation a bit here. Make sure if you guys are going to remove this back, which I just noticed here, there's like another tab underneath it, and you're gonna don't want to pull that one. You want to pull the one that says back. You gotta, yeah, see, there's like, see, you gotta like, see, you gotta get that one, not the one underneath it. Spigen, you really should just kind of cut that one off, because I ended up, yeah. All right, but when it comes to fit, it's perfect. Like I don't see. I mean, it's perfect. I don't know what to say. No bubbles, nothing. Didn't even need a squeegee. I'm really not sure. I mean, why you definitely need this here. The keep and reuse tool here to pull the screen protector, or ease glass remover, as they call it here. But looks like you should keep that. But yeah, guys, that was it. That was a pretty interesting installation here. Again, before you start, what I learned here is power off the watch. And just like I did learn from the 15 Pro Max video here, you want to go ahead and use the clean lens and screen cleaning wipe first, microfiber cloth second, and then the sticker, which covers the entire unit. So there's no way you should have a speck of dust underneath that screen protector after you install it. And then after that, once you get the screen protector on, you actually want to go ahead and then press down, and then you could just immediately remove off. Apparently you don't even have to wait 30 seconds like the iPhone 15 Pro Max here. But yeah, that was it. Interesting installation. If you guys like the video, please like it. Yeah, if you guys want more, please subscribe. But yeah, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day out there. Bye-bye.